How to Make Money in Stocks is a classic book written by William J. O'Neill. This book is focused on stock market investing and provides a systematic approach to finding, evaluating, and trading stocks. Here is a summary of some of the key principles and strategies outlined in the book. 1. CAN-SLIM Method. O'Neill introduces the CAN-SLIM method, an acronym that stands for the key factors he believes are important for successful stock investing. C. Current earnings. Invest in companies with strong recent earnings growth. A. Annual earnings. Look for companies with consistent annual earnings growth. N. New products. New management. Companies with innovative products or strong leadership are attractive. S. Supply and demand. Pay attention to the stock's trading volume and price patterns. L. Leader or laggard. Invest in market leaders, not laggards. I. Institutional sponsorship. Companies with institutional support are often more stable. M. Market direction. Ensure you invest in the direction of the overall market. 2. Technical analysis. The book places a significant emphasis on technical analysis, particularly the use of stock charts to identify patterns and trends. O'Neill suggests that understanding chart patterns and recognizing the right buy and sell points is crucial for successful trading. 3. Risk management. O'Neill stresses the importance of managing risk in stock trading. He recommends using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and protect your capital. 4. Trading psychology. The author also discusses the importance of maintaining the right psychological mindset as a trader. Emotional discipline and the ability to stick to a well-defined strategy are crucial for success in the stock market. 5. Case studies. Throughout the book, O'Neill provides numerous real-life examples and case studies of successful and unsuccessful trades. These case studies help illustrate the principles he discusses. 6. Market timing. O'Neill believes in the significance of market timing and suggests that investors should adjust their exposure to stocks based on the overall market trend. He advises staying out of the market during bear markets and focusing on buying stocks during bull markets. 7. Continuous learning. The author emphasizes the importance of constantly learning and adapting to changing market conditions. He suggests that investors should stay informed and keep refining their trading skills. In summary, How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill is a comprehensive guide to stock market investing, primarily based on the CAN-SLIM method. It offers insights into the importance of fundamental and technical analysis, risk management, and the right mindset for successful stock trading. The book is geared toward both novice and experienced investors and provides practical strategies for identifying winning stocks and managing your portfolio.